want to answer a certain question. You say that why pepper makes you sneeze? Why pepper make you sneeze? So if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe for more healthy videos. Pepper has a lot of colors. Pepper can be black, can be white, can be yellow, and also have green pepper. So pepper, they contain a compound which is called piperine. So when pepper comes in contact with your nose, piperine will stimulate the nerve ending in the mucous membrane in the nose. So when they stimulate the nerve ending in the mucous membrane in the nose, you will sneeze. So you feel a sneezing reflex. So this is a short video which I wanted to explain today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment for more healthy videos. Thank you.